In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Chat GPT-4 using your mobile phone. So, Chat GPT-4 is only accessible to those who have access to Chat GPT Plus. It's a premium service from OpenAI for which users have to pay $20 per month. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you go to your browser, just type openai.com and click for Chat GPT-4 and click on Try on Chat GPT Plus. Once open, tap the three horizontal lines on the upper left and you will see here at the bottom Upgrade to Plus. So just go ahead and tap that one, and then you'll be needing to sign up once you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and pay for $20 per month. And then once you upgrade your plan, you can now use the ChatGPT-4 Unlimited. So the other ways to access ChatGPT-4 is go to your browser and type in po.com. I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you're in po.com, just tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left and you will now see here Chat GPT-4. So just go ahead and tap that one, and in here I have already reached my limit because you can only ask one question a day. So you can now access Chat GPT-4 in po.com. You can also access Chat GPT-4 in Syncode AI. And you can also access Chat GPT using Bing AI. And that's it. That's how you access Chat GPT-4. So I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.